Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings and reviews and makeup hauls here. We do beauty, lifestyle, fashion, accessories, home decor. We do all kinds of stuff. So if you enjoy that type of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and please become a part of our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget, if you do enjoy the video, to please give it a thumbs up. That does help me out. But as you can see, today we are going to be doing the January 2019 Luxury Divas box. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about Luxury Divas and then we will get into this box. So it is a monthly subscription and it is a lifestyle accessory subscription. And y'all, when I tell you that they are literally from head to toe, you could be covered with this box. From hats to socks and everything in between. They have sent umbrellas, they have sent clothing, they have sent jewelry, they have sent makeup, they send all kinds of amazing products. And I love that they tailor it around whatever the season is. So like, you know, it's wintertime, so we've gotten some scarves and gloves and different things. And in the summer, this past summer of 2019, gotta remember what year we're at. We got, you know, beach bags and beach hats and just amazing things that go with the season. And they're always so beautiful and cute. I love them so much. They definitely are on trend. And I just love that. I love that you can create a profile and let them know certain colors you prefer, certain colors you don't really care for. And they will style your box around that. So not everyone's box will be the same every month. Now, it is $30 a month for this subscription. I do have a code that I'll put down below along with a link that will get you your first box for only $25. It will save you $5. They do also have the option where you can buy just a one-time box for $35. That promo code will apply to that as well, so you could get a one-time box for $30. But the other thing that I really like about Luxury Divas is if you don't want to commit to the subscription, but you see something in one of the boxes that you really like, you can follow the link down below and go to their website, and they have hundreds and hundreds of items there that you can purchase just individually. And I think that is amazing. And I want you guys to remember all of that because I'm gonna tell you a little surprise here in just a few minutes. But let's get into what we got for January 2020. And then we will get into the fun stuff, which all of it's going to be fun, but you know what I mean. So one thing I love is you literally get a handwritten note with every box from your stylist. And I just love that touch so very much. You do not see this with any other subscription. At least I haven't. And they always give you some sort of little treat. And I can already tell you, I am loving the treat for this month because it makes so much sense with it being the January box, because people make New Year's resolutions, and one of the biggest resolutions people make is to be healthier and things like that, and they have put a pink lemonade crystal light packet. That's amazing. So Marina styled my box this month. I love Marina. She always does amazing jobs. She always does an amazing job at styling my box. And she said, "Hello, Nikki. Happy New Year. I hope that 2020 is a beautiful and healthy year for you and that January's box helps you off to a good start. We are super excited to collab this month." I'm not going to read the rest because that gives it away. But then it says, "You are so awesome. Enjoy, darling. Love, Marina." So that's right. I'm collabing with them. So you definitely want to stay tuned. But, we always get a sheet here that tells us everything in the box and pricing. And this is, again, the January 2020 box. And the total retail value of my box is $110, but I only paid $30. And they also, just so you know, last year for 2019, they won the Best Women's Fashion Box Award for like different subscriptions. So I think that's fantastic. But let's get in here and see what we got for January, and then we'll get into some exciting news. So this is what it looks like, the Luxury Divas paper. There's something looks like outside of the paper. All right, so first item I see here are some cute socks. And this is a 2-pack Argyle and Print Crew socks. Season-less Argyle patterns were used to create these adorable crew socks knit from a soft and breathable blend of materials. This cute 2-pack is just what your sock drawer needs. And they come in different colors, and it is $16. So we have this pair right here. It's like a burgundy. And then the second pair, oh, I like that. I really like the second pair with the gray and like the toe and the heels like a cream. I really like that. And they are super soft. Super, super soft. All right. Then we have, this is pretty. We have some bracelets. Oh, y'all, these are really pretty. Like, really, really pretty. Tricolor three-piece bracelet with rhinestone charm. The lustrous combination of silver, rose gold, and gold will nicely fit in with any jewelry collection. Each gleaming textured bracelet features a crystal rhinestone charm, adding the perfect touch of sparkle and shine. Wear 1, 2, or stack all 3. And this is $20. I absolutely love that they did this with the rose gold, the gold, and the silver, because whatever your metal preference is for jewelry, you got at least one bracelet, or like they said, you can layer them together, 1 or 2 or all 3. And again, I just think they are absolutely gorgeous. I like that they're stretchy, so they're gonna fit most wrist and be comfortable. Love that. All right, then we have, I think I know, yep. We have long arm warmers with Thumbhole. Simply a great pair of casual arm warmers for your everyday gear. Wear these fingerless gloves with 3/4 sleeve jackets, short sleeve sweaters, or dance wear. And these are $15. These could have come in white, pink, red, or black. I'm glad I got the black. I do like black for a lot of things. It does have the little LD tag there. Let's see if I can get my hand in one to show you. So, and obviously, yeah, I could pull it all the way up. I'm not going to do that because that may take a little while, but I like that because it does definitely keep you warm, but I like the fact that your fingers are free. Because let's be honest, we're all on our phones, so we need our fingers free. And this way, you know, like I said, you can stay warm, but still use your phone. So I like those. All right. And then let's see, we've got, they always put tons of stuff in here. All right. And then we have a 2-pack here of Italia Deluxe 2-pack luxurious lip liner. Pucker up and apply your new lip pencils from Italia Deluxe that have a rich matte color. These are perfect for outlining your lips or completely coloring them in when you want a smooth, long-lasting finish. And this is valued at $10. And it looks like we got we have Hot Red, this first one. And that definitely is like a hot red. It'd be very pretty. And then we got Pink Blossom. And that is very pretty as well. That's very pretty. So we have the 2 lip liners. And then we have, this is awesome. Now this is a product, I don't know that I've seen anything like this in from Luxury Divas before. This is really great. This is the Swell stainless steel print insulated water bottle. Swell bottles feature a triple layered vacuum insulated construction and are designed to keep beverages cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12. They are BPA free. The colorful print is inspired from beautiful textiles from India and Africa, and this is $24. So that is amazing because, again, like I said, 2020 or January 2020, you know, you're wanting to make resolutions and get healthier. One way to do that is to drink more water. And this is such a cute bottle. Like, and I love the Swell bottles, the Sip by Swell and all of that. These are amazing bottles. They definitely do keep things warm. They do keep things cold. So I'm excited to have this guy to add to my collection. It will probably get me to drink more water, which we all need to do. And then there is still one more thing in here. And that is this shirt. And it is a black V-neck shirt. Whoop. It is a black, I need an outtake reel, or a blooper reel. Black long sleeve V-neck tee. Be completely carefree in this long sleeve tee cut from silky smooth material that is ideal for layering. This extra soft cotton blend tee has a clean, comfortable look for an easy, relaxed fit. Could have come in black, gray, or pink. Again, so glad I got black. And it is $25. And this is definitely something that I think we need in our wardrobe. I mean, just the classic black long tee, like they said, it is great for layering. It is great for wearing just by itself and sprucing it up or just relaxing. So I'm definitely glad to have gotten this. So we got the shirt, we got the thumb and finger glove warmers or arm warmers. We got the 2-pack of the socks, we got the 3 bracelets, we got the 2 lip liners, and we got that gorgeous Sip by Swell or Swell stainless steel insulated water bottle. So I think that was fantastic. This was such a great box. They never disappoint. I think that they always do a great job, especially the variety. I mean, we literally got stuff, all kinds of different things. Now, Marina mentioned a collab on my card. Do you want to know the details? All right, so what we're going to do is, like I said, I have a link and a promo code down below. So if you sign up for the subscription, if you buy a one-time box, if you just use the link and you go to their site and you decide to purchase something in the month of January, you're eligible to win a February box for free. So if you've been thinking about signing up for Luxury Divas, this is the time to do it. So like I said, I will put a link down below and that promo code. Again, the promo code will get you $5 off your first month of the subscription. So that would be $25, or the one-time box that you could get for $30. But again, you can also be entered to win just by going with a link to their site. If there's 1, 2, 3, 4 items you'd like to purchase, you can do that as well and still be entered. So I will put all of that, again, the link and promo code down below. I'm going to run this through January 31st. So you've got the whole month of January, well, from today, through the end of January, to make your, decide if you want to sign up for the subscription, or if there's something you saw that you would like to purchase, you can do that as well. So again, January 31st. Now, how we're going to do this is they can actually track based on that link who has purchased something or signed up for the subscription from my link. So they will choose a winner and then they will give me the name. And from there, I will make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, that you did like this video. And if you would, for just to be nice, go follow Luxury Divas and myself over on Instagram. I will put the handle down below for each of us, for Luxury Divas and for my Instagram. So head over, follow us over there. Like I said, if you've been on the fence about trying, wanting to sign up and try this box, now is definitely the time, because one person will win the February box for free. So again, it's going to run through 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on January 31st. YouTube is not in any way liable or associated with this giveaway. It is between Luxury Divas and myself, and I will announce the winner on February 1st. And good luck to you all. Please be over the age of 18, have a parent or have a parent's permission. Also, it needs to be a U.S. shipping address. And then, like I said, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, you've liked the video, and if you would, maybe go over and follow Luxury Divas and myself on Instagram. So good luck to everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you decide to sign up, I hope you love whatever it is that you get in your box. And again, good luck to whoever wins the February box. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.